Hey there, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trade by Numbers. If you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, though, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I'm on here every day teaching you everything I know about how to pick up these trades, how to use the velocity of money in your favor to be able to get a much better than an 8 or 10% return a year investing in some boring mutual fund or something. So let's talk about the market. Kind of had an interesting day. Looked like we was going to have a green day. We started off, the market was rallying, and then we ended up with the market pulling back. I think that could have had something to do with some of the talk about what's going on over in China, but let's talk about how we actually ended up. So we end up with the S&P down 0.17%. Dow Jones managed to squeak out in the green, up 0.01, and the Nasdaq taking the biggest hit, 0.59% down. So overall, we did have the market pull back a little bit, but actually not too bad of a day. We end up with crypto holding its own. Crypto actually had a pretty good day, especially Ethereum. Ethereum did very nice today. In fact, still up over 4%. Pretty nice day on Ethereum. Happy to see that. We was able to pick up a position in IMPP. Held out all day long. Did not hit my price target. Finally, just after market close, finally got down there and was able to pick up my price target under 34 cents. So hopefully that plays out very well for us moving into tomorrow. I've been really trying to figure out where we're going. I do still think that there is some upward momentum. I'm not ready just to short these markets yet. I do believe that there's still a chance that we've got some rallying to go. With that being said, as I've said, you've got to be very careful. When the market's already picked up off the bottom and you know there's a leg down coming, sometimes the best thing you can do is just sit and be patient. We don't want to get over carried away. Don't want to get excited and get going in too heavy. I see so many traders make this mistake. They go in way too heavy, especially when the market's already up. Then they get a downturn and get absolutely obliterated. I don't want to see that for anyone out there. So remember, patience is your friend. Trade slow. Trade with small amounts. Don't go heavy with everything you've got into any direction. Even if you're trying to short the market. Even though pretty much everybody believes that the market has a huge leg down, sure as you put everything you had into it, the market would end up we'd end up with that soft landing after all. So I'm real curious to see how the rest of this week plays out. However, like I said, I was happy to get that position in IMPP. We did get a pullback today. We was talking about, let me pull it up here, COSM. We was talking about that earlier today. We did get a pullback. If you was able to buy in on that pullback, you made a ton of money today. However, it did not pull back to my price target, and so I did not get in on that trade. I'm perfectly happy if it just runs away from me at this point. I've made enough money on this trading in it, what I already have, that I am not concerned about it. However, if we see that pullback, see that little bit of a healthy retracement, then I will take another position in it, but I'm just not going to FOMO into it at this point because it's definitely running up. Could it run up, 100% from where it's at right now? Absolutely. Could it crash back down 200% from where it's at right now? Absolutely. So there's a lot of risk there, and I just want everyone out there to be wary when they're playing with stocks like this that's had a huge run up. This stock was 10 cents. So when you're buying in now, you buy in at 60 cents and it drops to 20, you've lost 2/3 of everything you've got. That is a huge drop. So always be careful when you're getting into a play that's already blown up. It does not mean this thing's out of steam. In fact, I've got some friends of mine that are playing this that tell me that it still has a lot of steam left. But I only trade by the numbers. I don't get emotional. I don't get carried away in any one stock. So I will wait. I'll see if it comes back toward where I'm at. Like I said, any other way you're playing it, make sure you're paying very close attention with very dedicated in and out numbers that you're looking at. So that's kind of what I want any volume play. Any volume play that you're after, whether it's this one or another, just make sure you've got a very defined entrance and exit. And so I'm going to keep it short. I still don't have much voice here, but the market had a pretty good day overall. Like I said, had a little bit of a pullback, but not too bad. We got crypto holding up. If crypto holds up through tomorrow, then we could see a rally out of tomorrow. But we'll have to wait and see. Like I said, I got no crystal ball, but we'll keep an eye on our IMPP and see if we go ahead and get up. That brought my average way down, so hopefully we can get out of that and clear that position away before we end up with that next leg down that pulls it potentially down under 30 cents. So until next time, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions, always trade by the numbers.